Sabin able to reverse the move, but London uses his leg strength to snap off that great head scissors.
And Sabin looks like he's out for the count right there.
But can London take advantage of that opening?
He's got to. The timing is right now, Mike. You hit it right on the head. This is the opening he's got to take advantage of. I don't think Sabin knew where he was there for. Oh, beautiful kick there by London.
Spin heel kick out of the corner.
Another one.
Great drop kick that was on target. Back to the offensive goes London. Reversed off into the ropes by Sabin. Flying forearm smash caught him right between the eyes. Look at how quickly he kips up to his feet.
Oh, he is amped up right now. He can see the X Division belt coming his way.
Did you see London that time? Put on the brakes. He avoided that top turnbuckle shot. He's playing possum here.
Look at his agility, though.
Lands on his feet.
Everything Sabin's doing is just not working right now.
And again, London hooks the leg, goes for the pin. Only two.
It looks like London's kind of holding his side there. Look at that. It's obviously his...
Holding his side, or maybe his arm?
His ribs, maybe?
Yeah, it's his ribs, and we've seen the offense directed at the rib cage from Sabin out of the full Nelson. Great counter, nice reversal.
Oh, look at the strength.
Gonna wind him up.
Oh, I love that move.
Wow. Drives him down across the knee.
And here it is.
The champ goes for the pin.
Oh, London's not gonna have it. Oh, Mike, this is total non-stop action right here.
And coming down to the ringside area, CM Punk, who we just saw earlier.
Another great X Division future star here in NWA-TNA, who's, like you mentioned, wanting to get into the gathering, Mike.
And now what is this?
Well, they say imitation's the greatest form of flattery. What's he trying to do, impress Raven?
Yeah, attempted the future shock here from Sabin. That's exactly what he's doing. He's trying to flatter Raven, trying to impress him with his Raven imitation.
He does a pretty good one. Whoa, go! London wasn't going to let him.
London blocked it. London to the top.
Whoa.
There's the London calling. He hit the shooting star off the top.
That was a thing of beauty, Mike.
But can he make the pin?
He's got to get him right now. Sabin is out. It is right now.
London not able to follow up after hitting the high-risk move.
We got to see
you see
that.
the eye contact with CM Punk as we take a look at the replay of the right hand. Tremendously executed.
What's that?
He just hit, well, he used Raven's DDT, the Raven effect in CM Punk. I think you got it right, trying to impress Raven to become a part of the gathering. Oh, he just laid out Paul London.
I mean, I've heard of hero worship, but that's ridiculous. And that's not right.
And oh, now look at this. The champ's got it. Oh, drove him down to the mat. Future shock. Here's the pin. Here's one. Here's two. God, that's just not right. He keeps the title. He retains the title. There's Chris Sabin.